We just walk outside the front door and this is what we have. It's insane. Uh-oh. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Ahoy, it's your boy. And we're starting off today, and literally as I'm about to walk out the door, there's a freaking parade right outside my door. So check this out. This is what we're waking up to today. What this is for, I don't know. Well, we should just follow the music, I suppose. I was walking right towards these fucking firecrackers and nobody warned me. Almost got blown up. Oh yeah, okay. There you go, a little eye candy. This old guy with the firecrackers is having more fun than anyone. Wow. And here's the altar that they carry out. Woo! The firecrackers purify the way. Wow. All right. We just walk outside the front door and this is what we have. It's insane. We must have done something right in the past life. I feel like I've had my fill of the parade. So we're gonna take MRT. We're gonna go to what's called Mao Kong Lancho, which is, I know my pronunciation is horrible, but it's a gondola that begins at Taipei Zoo and goes over the hills. But we're gonna hike to what's called Yinhe Cave. We might get a little wet, but that's okay. We're brave, we're gonna brave the elements, and we're gonna have a good time. And this was a beautiful way to start the day. All right, as we're coming up the gondola, I heard some music coming from the temple, so I feel like that's the cosmos telling us we should go there, so why not? If it's not good, that's okay. We'll just hop right back on the gondola. But we're gonna check it out and see if there's anything special happening here. We are the only ones here. All right, my friends, we made it. At the end of Mao Kong is a bunch of restaurants, a lot of touristy stuff, a lot of commerce. But that's okay. They gotta make their money somehow, right? So apparently there's a trailhead to Yinhe Cave from here. I already stopped by the convenience store and got 2 things I didn't pack, which is water, and I still haven't had breakfast. I will have to stop and eat this banana at some point. Is this really it? So this looks like the beginning of the trail. That's wild. That's it. Okie dokie. We're going straight up. Unfortunately, we have to go up the stairs. I'll have my Kim Kardashian butt by the end of this. You're gonna burn some calories, boy. Really? Oh Lord, it just don't stop. All right. Wow, the way has gotten much more treacherous very quickly. I'm thinking we might want to explore an alternative way to get back if possible. You can really see things open up here. Look at this. Lovely view. There's a little pond here outside the house. You can smell them cooking. Look at the view, wow. I bet that beats your front yard, doesn't it? Talk about real estate. Wow, look at this. I really don't think I have it in me to go back this way. You hear that waterfall? Oh, I can see it too. Oh wow, look at this. Wow. Oh, more stairs. Jayo. Get some good lighting. Oh, So I almost put my face right in the middle of a spider web. Okay. Wow. A bigger shine. And you know what? Let's do this. So let's leave an offering. Hope to make it back safe, and hope everyone else who's on the trail is safe as well. So we'll leave this. Why don't we leave it right here? Okay, onward. Wow. Not sure who that is, but we're not friends on Facebook or anything, so head back down. All right, well, we've come upon something. We're definitely getting our temple fixed today. All right, let's check it out. And there's a dog over here. Hey, buddy. Let me just see if he's friendly. Hello. Hey, guy. Oh, hello. He's literally just resting his head on my leg. We hiked a long way, and you know what? It was to meet you, my guy. Yes. Oh, sorry. My bad. You want to show me where the fun stuff is? Yeah. All right, well, I had some water, had my sandwich, and so it says we can walk 30 minutes along the road and catch a bus. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Although this is also looking very steep. Well, this is definitely not easier, just a different type of difficult. It's not rocky, it's not slippery, but it's just uphill. Uh-oh. Hey. Hey. And I got 2 dogs barking at me. Because, well, I don't know what to do. The dogs meant business. They literally ran out from behind this wall. So, well, 没有办法. But yeah, that was hairy. That could have been real bad. I'm trying to think about how I'll explain this. I think I will try to tell some people at the temple. We're back at the temple here. 你好。对不起，我有一个问题。你会英文吗？一点点。Oh, 一点。So I wanted to walk, but as I was walking up, Leon go. 哦。不让我。所以怎么办？啊，
管地一杯背诵啊。对。你看一杯，You want to go to 真知 University？
我想坐公车去台北动物园。
要行去个动物园那边，讲要爬山爬去，遐有狗，要安怎？有狗。The dog don't bite you.
They look like they were gonna bite me. Leon go. They came out and started running at me.
你要到动物园那边有车子，
有公车，上面有公车。
在瓦措可以。
在瓦措有所以你要搭公车。
在这里。
对。
但是我很累，所以我觉得我可以走去，但是有点危险。
有点危险这样子。还是你要到我到新店，到新店MRT station。
哦，在这里。
对啊。
大概 how far？
I drive.
You drive me?
Yeah.
真的吗
？Yeah.
真的吗？
真的。
太客气。
OK。
可以吗？哦，谢谢。
你等我一下。
哦，没事，不会。
休息一下。
谢谢。
要不要喝茶？
哦，没事，谢谢。不喝水，谢谢。哇，很漂亮。什么样的寺庙？是
道教。
道教。
那这是妈祖。
妈祖，对。 马祖是
妈祖
海的
对海掌
yeah
管海的神明，
好
对。所以你是来工作吗？
没有，
玩
我是学生，我最近毕业。
哦，
所以我休息。
在台湾念，
在美国，
在美国念，
对。
哦，按照毕业这样。
你叫什么名字？
中文吗？中文
王，好。
威风的威，
潍坊的潍，好。
智慧的智，
伟志，王伟之。
王伟之。You
我的
have Chinese name?
I do.
Yeah.
孔一德。孔子的孔。一德。
哪个一？
依靠的依。
依靠的依，
对。德，道德经的德。
道德经的德。
对。
哦哟。
对。我喜欢中国的哲学。所以我的老师给我一个中文的哲学的关系的名字。
所以what's your major?
East Asian. 对，中国的哲学，差不多。
哦。
So we're getting a ride to the train station.
我在塞喂，在塞哈，一比加。
你好。
他可以讲中文话，
你可以讲中文，一点点中文。
一点点中文。我说的不好。
我要学习。
贵地在哪里
回来访。
我是美国人。
美国人。
对。从加州。
加州。
旧金山附近。伯克莱。我是伯克莱大学的学生。
他是伯克莱大学学生。一点学中国哲学。你是姓孔，空住的空。伊是一个人，跟一个三个伊 ，it's more meaningful.
Yes， 我同意。
Yeah, my English name also USA teacher give me. So my name is Chris.
Chris, good. That's a great name. That's good.
Yeah, Christopher Chris.
Yes.
Christine.
Yes.
我们那个捷运站到了。
谢谢。
在那边拿一下。
我想给你。
不用。
不用，
真的不用。
谢谢，太客气。谢谢你们。
有空再来，有空再到山上可以聊聊天。到妈祖庙那。
到妈祖。对，我会。
OK， 欢迎。
谢谢你们，谢谢，再见。Wow, what a gift. We're blessed. You know what it was? I'll tell you what it was, and it just occurred to me. It was the banana we left at the altar. Remember I said that? Oh man, how cool is that? I left the banana, and I knew we were going to be blessed. And we were blessed. Wow. I tell you, what a trip. Highlight of the trip so far. You know. Well, we made it home. It was a very exciting day. Yeah, I thought we were done, and then I heard the music going, and I thought, I'll just check it out while I'm here. All right, for real. We're calling it I don't know if we're calling it a day per se, but we're certainly calling it an afternoon. So, thanks for hanging with me this long. That made the trip worth it. All that made the trip worth it, so. All right, well, I'm lost, but I'm gonna find my way home. Bye.